Welcome back to the DerivNavigatorAcademy, and in this video I'll be showing you how to turn on the dark theme mode in Deriv. Now most of you have your Deriv interface like this. It is white, okay? And sometimes it is usually too bright, especially when you're trading in the morning or at night. It can be too bright for your eyes, okay? And you might want to turn it to a dark theme. Now, most of you know this tip, but I've seen a majority of you telling me they don't know how to do this. So this is what you'll do. So this is your interface. Simply come to the bottom part of your interface, okay? And then the first icon you'll see is WhatsApp, all right? After the WhatsApp, you'll see live chat, you will see responsible trading. I want you to go ahead and click on the fourth icon. So you have the first icon, the second, third, fourth. Now the fifth icon, which is shaped like a sun, okay? So I want you to go ahead and click on that icon. Click on it once. After clicking on it once, now your Deriv interface will have a dark theme, okay? And this is very helpful, okay? So ensure, even if it is in the morning, always use the dark theme. The dark theme is it will be very kind to your eyes, okay? Because the white theme can have that glaring look or that glaring appearance, and it might hurt your eyes, especially if you are trading for long periods of time. So ensure you always use a dark theme. A dark theme is more favorable unless you have an eye condition and you are forced to use the white theme, okay? But the dark theme is the most preferable. And that is simply how you turn on the dark theme in Deriv. If you have found this video helpful, please make sure you leave a like. Please make sure you subscribe. You don't want to miss out. These videos are very, very helpful. Please subscribe. Go to the channel and watch all the videos on trading, okay? Go ahead and enjoy them. Guys, keep trading, keep pushing, don't give up. This journey is a long one, but we will all achieve our dreams. Share these videos so that we might grow together. Thank you for watching and good luck.